Yeah. Holy, that was sick.
Is the doorway safer? No.
Calling my mom.
Oh my gosh, that was terrifying. Hope everyone is okay. Our sheet mount fell down. Everything fell. But I'm safe, thankfully. Hopefully everyone is safe out there.
Come on. There's a big earthquake. Holy crap. Look at all the lightning going. And the radio station just went out. I don't think we got school now, so let's move. That was about a 8 or a 9.0. And we just had a massive earthquake.
Just walking up after this earthquake. Holy smoke. Look at this.
Hey, be careful with the cliff, because there's nothing hanging underground there.
Yeah, we got to be careful because we don't know what could happen. We need to get it back off this. Can you get out of there?
Huh? Huh?
How am I gonna go to the mall? I'm just joking.
Look at this.